Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. I will be opening 3 fragrances today that come in bright pink and light pink boxes. It's something so satisfying in opening perfume packages. Pink is a delicate color, romantic, charming, playful. It's the sweet side of red. So the first one will be Miss Dior. Air Fresh Eau de Toilette is 50 milliliters, this one. Let's open it. Beautiful. The bottle totally represents Dior. It's timeless, elegant and chic. So cute! It can make a lovely gift. I had it before. This is a gift. Now I'm getting around to open it. Really. Oh, so nice. Oops. So beautiful. There are so many variations of Miss Dior. Top notes are mandarin orange and lemon. Those top notes smell immediately once applied. It also has a rosewood, oak moss and vanilla notes. I think it can be used for all occasions. It is a refreshing, citrusy fragrance for her. It has a youthful smell, playful in a way, but subtle and elegant. It is aromatic, citrusy, woody. You can wear it when you want to be seductive but subtle. Elegant. It is light. It's like a breath of fresh air. I'm so pleased with this one. If you like this video so far, please subscribe to my channel. I'll be posting new videos every week. Let's go to the next one. Chanel Chance Eau de Perfume, 50 milliliters. It's one of my all-time favorites. Many people find that it's a pleasant smell which makes it so popular. Let's open it. The bottle is easy to grab. It has a simple, elegant golden detail on the side. I feel Chanel always gives a sense of timeless elegance. What is that? Oh, here. Just as I remember. In one word, beautiful. It makes me so happy. It is a long-lasting perfume. It has a floral smell. If it is to think about the intensity of the scent, I may say is moderate. Main notes are pink pepper, jasmine and amber patchouli. It also has white musk and vanilla. It is a delicate floral, not overbearing at all smell. With movement, one can catch a whole variety of scents. It is playful yet sophisticated. I think it can be used when you want to feel sophisticated, elegant, feminine. So the next one is Vera Wang Princess Eau de Toilette. This is the bigger one, it's 100 milliliter. This is for every princess out there. Let's open it, let's open it. So satisfying to open it. Open. I cannot open it? I can. Yeah. Oh, I already feel the smell coming out of the bottle. Of the box. And there is your crown. How cute is the bottle? Heart shape with a crown. Did not have this one before, I'm curious myself. This is a more affordable fragrance comparative with the other two I've showed to you. So that it will be fun to try this one as well. And it stayed. Yeah, it stays. Here is quite smooth and here is like a diamond at the back. So if you want to place it like this as well, you can easily do. What is that? Ah, it's a ring. So you took it out, take it out. And you can have it the crown and then it's the ring. Do you want to be my princess? Okay. Do you want to be my princess? Oh, perfect fit. Does it fit? Let's spray, let's see how it smells. I keep spraying it. I'm spraying it too much. It's a bit strong at first. Nice design though. It's a bit strong at first. It's floral. Top notes are rose, pear, orange blossom. It also has notes of orchid, plum, ginger. The base notes are vanilla, sandalwood, cinnamon. It warms up to a lovely smell. It's a musky, rich, sexy fragrance, perfect for evenings when you want to feel sexy, confident, irresistible. I may say it's a fruity floral perfume with vanilla, exotic flowers and fruits. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. That is all from me for today. See you next week.